Beyonce become the queen of the Grammys? Was she born like that? The answer is no. She actually came from a very deeply rooted religious background. And so when she would get on stage, she loved it, but she was uncomfortable because it was going against the way that she was raised. So what she did was she created an alter ego called Sasha Fierce. That allowed her to step into this different persona to do what she needed to do to become the incredible woman that we know today. You can do this too in your business. And so let's say you are at $50,000, but you want to get to $10 million in a year. One of the ways to do that is to create an alter ego for you. You need to be a different person than you are at 50,000. To get to gazillions, you need to step into a different person. So create a persona that allows you to do that. Who is someone that you respect who's at that level? What traits do they have that you can create into your own identity? Figure out who that is, name it, and then do something like wear different glasses, do a different hair color, do a different style, whatever you need to do so that you can fully step into being this person until you create the confidence and the knowledge to really be that person that gets you to that next level. Good luck.